Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make no glue slime, only using one ingredient. This slime recipe is super easy to make. You probably have all the ingredients for it at home. And without further ado, let's get started. This slime recipe is so easy to make. It only needs one ingredient, toothpaste. I'm using this Colgate one. Well, you'll also need a microwavable bowl. Once you've got your toothpaste ready, all you gotta do is pour some into your bowl. There's not a specific amount on how much toothpaste you need to use. If you want to make a mega slime, you can use a lot of toothpaste. If you don't want to make one that's too big, you don't need to use that much. I'm going to make a rather small slime, so I'm not going to add too much toothpaste. So I added that much. As you can see, it's kind of thick. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this to the microwave and put it in there for 30 seconds. I'm back, and since I made a really small amount of slime, it's starting to thicken pretty fast. If you're making a mega slime, you may have to microwave it for like 40 seconds instead of just 30. As you can see, it's thickening, but it's not a slime yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put it back into the microwave for another 30 seconds. All right, now that's out of the microwave, it started foaming up a lot. Wow, it got really dry. I think I left it in there for a little too long. Let's try some lotion. So it's starting to kind of look like a putty. Oh, it's so hot. After scraping out the whole bowl, this is what I'm left with. After a lot more mixing, it's finally starting to come together. All those shreds of dry toothpaste finally came into one. So yeah, this is pretty much it, the end result. And since I left mine in the microwave for too long, I had to add lotion to it to deactivate it. But if you're more careful with how long you leave it in there, you should get the perfect consistency with just toothpaste. Which means you can actually put it on your toothbrush and brush your teeth with it. It's actually much nicer than real toothpaste because after microwaving it, it doesn't even have flavor anymore. It's just fresh.